Welcome back, my fellow Chiari warriors out there. It's been a while since I did an update, but I went to the gun range and shot my 9mm, and it was kind of an interesting experience because I wasn't exactly sure how the sound was going to, how the noise was going to affect, how it was going to affect me since I had my surgery. So basically, I went there for the concealed weapons class, and they were taking us back to the room because you have to watch a video and you have to go over some rules and some statutes for the state of Florida so that you can get your certificate so that you can go and apply for your concealed weapons permit. And the only part that caused me an issue was when we were walking back to the room, and they told the people on the range that they were not supposed to fire their pistols until we had passed through because we didn't have hearing protection on or anything. And one of the idiots decided to start popping off rounds as we were walking through there. So the guys that were, running the range ran over and, gave him an earful or two. But that noise without the hearing protection, that was kind of difficult to deal with. So some people were asking me or were asking about loud noises, and things like that. And then we're also asking about, should you fly or should you do rides or go to amusement parks after the surgery? I can't answer those last two because I haven't flown and haven't gotten on any rides yet. But as far as the loud noises go, it wasn't an issue when I had my hearing protection on. Went ahead and shot my 15 rounds, which is the most they would allow us to shoot. And that was not an issue. Like I said, just the issue of walking back to the room, and then the guy started shooting and we didn't have hearing protection on. That was loud. So that was not really, it took a little while to get used to that. So I don't know if my surgery has, any issue with that. I've been around guns, all my life. My cousins and stuff, we used to shoot guns on Thanksgiving and Christmas. So the noise normally doesn't bother me. But I guess to make a long story short, with the hearing protection on, it wasn't an issue. So I would say that when you have surgery, I'm 10 weeks out. This next coming Friday will be week 11 since my surgery, so that it's almost 3 months, not quite. So the noise was not an issue. So those of you that were, had mentioned that or had, sent me a, private message, asking me, how did loud noises and stuff, did those cause you any issues? Well, you can't get much louder than shooting a gun. So to answer that question, that wasn't bad. It didn't really, didn't affect me. Just the guy shooting when we didn't have the hearing protection on. But that's basically the gist of this video. I just wanted to go ahead and put this out there because some people had asked me about it. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask me about my recovery, please just, put a comment in the comment section. If you would, please subscribe to my videos. Subscriptions really help. I'm at 99. I'd like to get to 100 and then see if I can get to 500. But I'll just tackle the 100 first. If you would, please like the videos if you like them. If you would, please share these videos with your friends out there, and always leave a comment if there's a question you have about my recovery. I've done several videos based on your guys' questions or requests for me to do a video. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave it in the comments section. And until next time, take care, and I'll talk to you later, my fellow warriors.